Math with Patti. Today's lesson is about place value. Math equals fun. So where did math come from anyway? Math is invisible. You can't see math. I can't see it, you can't see it, but it's still there. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about where in the world did math come from. We know that we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but not everybody counted alike. There are different math numeracy systems in the world. The one that we use is the Arabic math system. Obed and Omar shared a well together, and they had many goats. They decided that the well could not support all of their goats, so they had to separate them. So they came up with this system. And this is how I think the Arabics created a numbering system. They shoved a stick into the ground and they said, okay, we're going to count our sheep like this. For every goat, we're going to put a ring on this peg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now there were many goats in the herd. So they couldn't use all of their rings up, so they shoved another stick into the sand and said, when we get to 10, we're going to move this ring over to this stick, and that stands for 10 goats. Next, they kept counting, and they get to 10, and when they got to 10, they pulled it off, and they added another one over here. Now that stands for 20, and so on and so forth. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now they have a 100 sheep that they've counted. But they're going to run out of rings if they keep counting like this. So they said, okay, I know, I shoved another stick in the sand. This will count for 100 sheep, and then we can still keep our rings and keep using them. And so, of course, this went on, and so on and so forth. And they filled this to 10, and then added another, filled it up till it got to 10, and then added, of course, another 100, which would be 200, so on and so forth. So you understand where I'm going with this. And then, of course, they get up to, this is full, and they take that off, and they make that into 1,000, and then 10,000, and 100,000. And then they're able to realize that, oh, we have 100,000 goats, we can separate our goats now. 50,000, 50,000. This place value is the ones. This one, the tens. And this place value, the 100s, the 1,000s, 10,000s, etc., etc. We have adopted this system. It's a system based on 10. Remember, not every number system is like this. We have the binary system. You could make up your own numbering system. You could say a triangle stands for 1. You could say a star stands for 2. You could do whatever you want. But the one that we have adopted is the Arabic system. So in review, I think Omar and Abed divided their herd with this method, but someone took it a step further. They took the rings on this and said 3 in the ones place value, 1 in the tens place value, 4 in the 100s place value, 1 in the thousands place value, 5 in the 10,000 place value, 1 in the 100,000 place value, 2 in the 1 million place value. Now, we remove, and we have today's number.